Hi friends, I'm Monica. Welcome back to my channel. I have been sick for more than 2 weeks and I have an idea to share with you what I eat during the sickness time. I cook pure porridge using a normal white rice, or you may use jasmine rice too. I'm using jasmine rice here. We only need 50 grams of rice and a pinch of salt and half a thumb size of ginger. Just clean and slice the ginger. Also, rinse the rice cleanly 2 to 3 times and add a generous amount of water. The ginger you may cut according to your preference. Switch on the heat to the highest. Bring it to boil, and later we will put in the ginger. Add a pinch of salt or a quarter teaspoon, or depends on how salty you like it. You may add it before the rice is boiling. And the salt can help speed up the rice to be broken. We need to cook the rice until they are broken, and the salt can help speed up the process. Now we can add the ginger. The ginger is very good for the health and to keep our body warm, especially when we are sick. We have coughing, we have a fever, or we have flu. Let simmer for 10 minutes. Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
It's been 10 minutes. We can switch off the heat and let it cover and sit for another 30 minutes. So today we are cooking a non-oily and healthy pure porridge. Time to serve. Consume the porridge when it is still warm. Let me show you how it looks. We may open the lid and gently stir the porridge to mix them well. It looks like it is going to rain. I'm going to switch on the light so you can see it clearly. You see the rice are broken. So friends, if you are sick, please cook this porridge. It helps a lot. Looks so beautiful. If it is not salty enough, you can add some soy sauce or salt. Thanks much for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. See you again.